We are going to do a quick walkthrough of an RFS PT-15 radius forming clamp. This PT-15 does have a 4-foot by 12-foot true capacity. And what I mean by 4-foot by 12-foot is that is between the rails. It does have a total of 57 forms, 28 left, 28 right, 1 in the center. The forms of the PT-15 are a little bit different than the PT-6 and 7. The PT-6 and 7 are quarter radius. These are half radius. They're going to allow for more intricate shapes and a tighter radius. They are 9.5 inches above your frame, 3.5 inches deep, 2.5 inches wide. So ample capacity. You do have a center pusher. Besides that center pusher, you do have an additional 49 clamps. We're just going to come in and grab one real fast. They do function as they should. They hang back up quite nicely and store in the front of the machine. On the right-hand side of the machine, you are going to see that you do have an inbound regulator. That inbound regulator is going to be tied to an air multiplier, which is located really tight against the wall here. And that is going to feed an air tank. Your secondary regulator here is the pressure on the outbound side of that air tank that feeds your clamps. This machine does come with 2 heat bands. There is a thermal coupling up front here that is going to measure the temperature of those heat bands. The readout for that thermocoupling is right here. It is nice 91 degrees in the back of our shop today. This is basically a timer. You do have emergency stop and your control power, but again, this is overly complicated. At the end of the day, is going to be 2 timers. There are dual timers in here, and your readout for those heat bands. Right here, you do have 220 volt power for those heat bands. This is a single phase machine. Your control box, and there is also 115 volt power outlets right here on the rear. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.